Great evening, everyone. This is Dr. AJ, and you are part of the Freedom Experience, changing the way you think, look, and feel about your health, money, time, and relationships. So tonight, I want to have a conversation. Let's have a conversation about our health, because healthy is the new sexy, and I want to talk to you about 6 benefits. Health benefits of cranberries. So we've heard of cranberries. You know, the Ocean Spray has this great cranberry juice. We use cranberries during holidays time to put on top of our stuffing, or put to garnish our turkey with. However, this is very healthy to eat. We also know that healthcare professionals talk about using cranberries to eat or to drink cranberry juice to cut down on bacterial infections in your urinary system. So I want to talk about 6 benefits that will help you make a decision to incorporate cranberries in your diet. So the first one is that cranberries help with your urinary system and basically make sure or help prevent rather or lower the risk of UTIs, which is urinary tract infections. And urinary tract infections come from bacteria that adhere to the wall of your urinary tract or your urinary wall. And so your cranberries has high levels of a substance called proanthocyanidins, which is called PAX. And these PAX reduce the sticking of the bacteria. And so it's easy to flow through the bacteria easier to flow through your urine and prevent you or less risk of urinary tract infections. The second benefit, it helps reduce cardiovascular disease. What I mean about that? Well, cardiovascular disease is a lot of times caused from something called atherosclerosis, which is the hardening of your arteries due to plaquing, whether it's plaquing of fat, whether it's plaquing of cholesterol, calcium, or platelets. Platelets are your blood clotting cells. And so cranberries help reduce that risk of the platelets adhering to your artery walls of your heart, which in turn reduces blood pressure and causes your heart not to be inflamed. Number 3, cranberries have cancer-fighting agents. Yes, so it's beneficial to help with slow tumor progression. So basically, it prevents tumors from speeding up their growth. It's used in several different types of cancers: prostate, liver, breast, ovarian, and colon cancers. Now, these are studies that you can find. If you Google it, you'll find it in WebMD. You'll find it in Authority Nutrition. You'll find it in some other scholarly sources. You'll find it in some of the AMA journals, the American Medical Association. And you will see that it can help with fighting off cancer. Not making any medical claims, just going off of facts and from articles. Number 4, dental health. So those packs that I talked about, those proanthocyanidins, they also help with preventing bacteria being actually getting close, and bacteria actually staying adhesive to your gums. And that's what causes people to have gingivitis, which is gum disease. So when your gums start to bleed, that means you have gingivitis. And that just means that your gums are inflamed because the bacteria has irritated the surface of your gums. And that can cause the deterioration of your teeth. The next benefit is that cranberries have a great source of vitamin C. Now, vitamin C helps with boosting your body's resistance against infectious diseases, which is great. So it basically helps boost your immune system. And you know, our immune system is the military of our body. This The immune system fights off foreign invaders that may try to harm us. The next benefit, the fifth benefit, is fiber. It's high in fiber, which means that lowers the risk for heart disease, stroke, hypertension, diabetes, and obesity. So that means if you eat cranberries, which is high in fiber, it's going to help you regulate a bowel movement, which means getting rid of that waste. A lot of obesity comes from inflammation of our midsection, and so fiber helps. The fiber in those cranberries help you reduce that inflammation. It's also going to help lower your bad cholesterol levels. It's going to also help improve insulin sensitivity. Now, why did that mean something to you? Because insulin has a lot to do with most people in our country, or several million people, that are suffering from diabetes mellitus. And that's basically they have an insensitivity of insulin. So they eat so much of the bad foods that they have the blood sugar, glucose sitting in the blood, and the pancreas is overworked, is not releasing enough insulin to bring those sugars, to bring the level of the blood sugar down. And so when you eat cranberries, it basically helps your pancreas to be able to recognize when the blood sugar levels are too high. And that's going to also help reduce obesity in an overweight person. Lastly, vitamin E. Vitamin E is an antioxidant, and it increases and boosts your immune system, which basically help delay or prevent chronic diseases. And we have several million people that are suffering from chronic diseases. Not only that, it helps with cranberries also contain vitamin K. Vitamin K is important because that helps with our blood clotting factor. Make sure that we don't bleed out or hemorrhage within. And it also is a great anti-inflammatory agent. So I'm glad I was able to help you tonight, and know that there are six health benefits to cranberries. Now, if you don't want to eat cranberries and you don't want to drink cranberry juice, I have a solution for you. Yes, a detox tea that contains cranberries. We got 12 herbs in this 100% FDA certified organic tea. Cranberries is one of the ingredients. Look, this tea has over 25 benefits. But not only that, let me tell you about this tea is doing for people almost immediately. People are losing 5 to 11 pounds in less than 7 days. Yes, 5 to 11 pounds in less than 7 days. That is amazing. Why? Because it keeps people motivated to get healthy. Especially obese people that really want to lose weight. When they see 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 pounds come off within 7 days, it keeps them motivated to keep losing the weight and losing the weight and losing weight until they get to their ideal weight, and their confidence is through the roof. So I know you want it, or you know somebody that wants this tea. Share this video. Click the link below this video and order the tea, and I will ship it out to you before Christmas. I pray for good fortune in everything that you do, and for your good health, that your everyday affairs prosperous as well as your soul. This is Dr. AJ, and you are a part of the Freedom Experience. Bye-bye.